Sometimes I have to keep on breathing in. My lungs are filled with too much pain. All the shadows of the past that I'm so leaving.
Hey Little Buckets, I'm Nick with Little Bucket Fishing, and welcome to another fishing story.
Nights, and I'm drowning in the noise like a free fall. Walking along my path for too long. Save myself.
Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be going to the beach, I think, with Arrington and Joe. Today's the day after Hurricane, was it Sally? Yeah, Hurricane Sally. I guess there's a bunch of damage all over the place. We're going to go check some of that out on our way. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions or concerns, put them in the comment section below. And as always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the fishing.
Alrighty, y'all. So this is the first day after Hurricane, what was it, Nancy? I don't even remember the name of it. Yep. Get our little paddle tail. Are they close? I don't see them. Y'all, there's stuff all over the beach. All the walkways are pretty much gone. Apparently, there's some fish swimming out here that I'm just not seeing. Alright, y'all. Wanted to do this for a while. It's a big old popper that I have back from muskie fishing with my dad. I don't have really a good pull for it, but see if there's something that wants to eat top water. Just gotta be careful with this, because this is some big treble hooks. These waves ain't playing. Alright, not with that nonsense. Alrighty, y'all. Arrington just caught a decent sized croaker. We're gonna put it on our rod over here. He also caught a big catfish that not even the birds want to mess with. So we're gonna get this guy hooked up on our rod over here, cast him out, see what we can't catch today. Bloop. All right, we got a croaker and a 6-ounce weight on there. Just gonna wait, see what comes in, what eats it. Alrighty, y'all, so it's been probably about 30 minutes. Our croaker still hasn't got hit that we've seen. So we're also gonna go for some whiting. I got a little whiting rig hooked up here. Basically just pieces of shrimp on some circle hooks. We're not gonna go that far out, just right there. Already getting bites. I think we're already on. Tiny catfish, are you serious? All right, we got something again, probably another cat. Yes sir, it is, dang it. Stupid catfish. Better go grab our pliers and keep our pliers with us, because I don't like touching cats. Just don't want to get stuck.
I personally caught like 5 catfish, which sucks. So we're gonna move spots. We're gonna go for some sheep's head, I think, mangrove snappers. See if we can't get on those guys a little bit. And yeah, so meet you over there.
Alrighty, y'all. We are at a little spot. Oh dang, dude. Sailboat down. Usually you could walk out another 10 feet. Oh my sand fleas. Those are some giant boys. Alright, so we're just using a circle hook, sand flea. Just like so. Oh, that's cold. Do you know which dock he said to pitch to? I usually cast that one, but yeah, hot current is stupid strong. Oh,
Got stuck?
mm-mm. Yeah.
Nobody lived there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
No, buddy, I've never seen nobody there.
I have.
Huh?
I did get bit.
You got bit, right?
Mm-hmm. Little sand flea, not the big one. Y'all couldn't catch any normal size freaking sand fleas?
Shit. We got lucky we found some. What are you talking about?
These things are giant. Pecking at it?
Huh?
There's sheeps that'd be gone.
What?
Those are sheep's head, that'd be gone. That'd be gone. There's a pinfish. Penny, pin, pin, pin. I like this spot. Look at right there.
You got a good ass bite.
Yep, got one. Told you they ain't sheeps, a pigfish. That's a big pigfish. Oink, 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 oink. Bing! It's a big pinfish. Oh. What in the world?
Getting the beast out there.
Dear Lord. That's why they call them pigfish. Hear it? Wink, wink.
Or light back.
It's a bigger pigfish. Oh, it's a mangrove. Cool. You want to stay here? Got us a little mangrove snapper here. I do believe he is smaller than 10, so I'm gonna throw him back anyways. Only way I keep one is if he's big. But first real fish of the day.
All right, guys. So I know the fishing wasn't very great at all in this video, but the main point was just to go fishing the day after a hurricane, see what we can get on, and fish with some buddies. You know, I know we caught 15 hardhead catfish, which nobody likes catching that I've ever met in my entire life. And also 2 really big pigfish, or grunts. I don't know what you guys call them, whether you're from. I've just heard people call them pigfish, and they sound like they kind of grunt and oint at the same time, so that's what I call them, pigfish. and then the one mangrove, very small mangrove. Still a beautiful fish, but had a lot of fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, comments in the comments section. I will get back to each and every single one of you. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. So till next week, tight lines, yo.
Sometimes I have to keep on breathing in. My lungs are filled with too much pain.